Hi guys, it's Shreya here and welcome back to my channel, My Perfume Diaries. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Ombre Incense from Nuana House of Luxury. Now, as the name suggests, this one is inspired from Louis Vuitton's Ombre Nomade, and that fragrance is a very mysterious, deep, dark, manly, masculine fragrance. So if you're interested in knowing what this smells like, please keep on watching. Before we do so, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, you hit the bell notification, and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. So I'm going to start off with the packaging. It comes in this white and rose gold box where all the details about the brand and the manufacturing content and pricing, everything is mentioned right here. It's a very simple box, but inside it comes with a perfume pouch which is reusable and very functional in a way. It's good for traveling with your fragrances, and you can also multi-purpose it to use like storing stationaries and stuff. So I like that part. And then this is how basic, beautiful, to the point the packaging is. Now this one is like a thick glass bottle with a see-through bottle and a sticker here that has all the details and a textured cap, which is very tightly fit, by the way. And once you open, this is how the golden atomizer looks like, and this is how the sprayer is. Nice sprayer, and diffuses the product really well. As minimal this perfume bottle looks, even the brand and the funda for the brand is as clean and minimal. They believe in creating clean and minimal fragrances. Their fragrances are free of phthalates, parabens, artificial colorants and dyes, and they provide affordable luxury. Why I say affordable luxury is because you can find this under a budget of 1,000 on them. Their website is nuanaluxury.com, and these are available from 3 ml to 100 ml, and the price range is from 299 rupees to 1,500, and you can literally get it like 100 ml also. You can get it at a price range of under 1,000. So steal deal. And if you're looking for inspired fragrances which are also clean fragrances, I think Nuana is a good house to try and experiment and get the discovery set and pick your muse basically. All right, now coming back to the scent profile on this one, like I said, Ombre Incense, and as the name suggests, is a very mysterious, deep, dark, masculine, kind of like a smoky, very luxurious smelling, bold kind of an evening scent. It has a very masculine and a very seductive appeal to it. And the main focus in this perfume goes to that incense, the oud, and the rich amber and that raisinessness that goes around. This opens up with sweetness of raspberry, which kind of is the part that I love the most, because it just has a beautiful smoky raspberry and a juicy raspberry kick to it, which mixes up with saffron, brings in that dry rose or a spicy floral kick in the opening for this fragrance. Then it has incense and oud. Incense is bringing that smoky, churchy like vibe, and oud is bringing that dark, woody richness. In the base, it has amber, benzoin, and woody notes of birch. Benzoin is bringing in that raisiness, sweetness in this fragrance. Basically, all in all, what I think about this fragrance is that you're burning that combination of incense and rich oud, and the result is a sweet, smoky aura, which is very loud and heavy and projective. This is best suited to be worn during nighttime or evenings or wintertime, colder weathers. And also, this can smell very heavy, very incensey, very strong. So it's not a safe blind buy. It's kind of like people are divided on this fragrance. You either love it, or you kind of find it very repulsive because it's very intense. So I don't know which side are you on. On me, this fragrance smells a tad bit masculine. I would love to smell this on my guy. Okay, I don't think this is the scent profile that I would like to carry off, because it just has a very intense feel to it. I think a man can and should carry this very well. This performs really well. I get around easy 7 to 8 hours with around 7 to 8 sprays. It projects, and the sillage is also good, leaves a good scent perfume trail and creates a good scent bubble around me. And I have worn this fragrance twice, and I wore it when I went for clubbing with my friends, and this was so projective, especially when I was dancing and I was sweating. It was so beautifully mixing up with my skin chemistry that it was creating a very sweet smoky effect. And people actually complimented me on this fragrance, which is very unexpected, because I was like, this is a very manly man's scent. But I got complimented on this fragrance, which was very surprising to me. So it's not that girls cannot rock this fragrance. You just need to be in the right mood, in the right place, and kind of like in the right outfit to be wearing this fragrance. So that is the overall take on Ombre Incense from Nuana House of Luxury. Again, it's a nice inspiration from LV's Ombre Nomad. So that's my overall take on this fragrance. I hope that you enjoyed watching this and you liked the content. If you did, hit the like button. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram. I have some more perfume content coming your way. And I have a couple of more Nuana fragrances from their series that I want to do review on. So stay tuned for all the Nuana fragrances and all the other fragrances that are coming on this channel. If you want to know me better, please make sure that you follow me on Instagram and maybe just chat with me. We'll get to know each other and we'll kind of like discuss our perfume preferences. That's a very interesting chat that I would like to have. My Instagram handle is myperfumediaries_. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.